everyone. Today's book is called Really Feely Farm. Oh, and it says it has lots to touch. I'm a chicken. Pet my feathery back. Ooh. And carefully touch the bumpy skin on my head. Let's see. Oh, that is so bumpy. I'm a sheep. Tickle my cozy wool. It's so soft. And feel the curls on my neck. Oh, yeah. I'm a piglet. Pat my bristly back. And gently press my squishy snout. So squishy. I'm a duckling. Feel my soft, fluffy tummy. Oh, that's super fluffy. And touch my smooth, shiny beak. I'm a calf. Rub my short hair. And point to my big, shiny nose. There it is. I think that's it. Yep. The end. Hope you guys enjoyed this book.